In this problem, I have an unordered array of integers nums and an integer k. I need to find, without sorting the array, the kth largest element in an array of integers. To solve this problem efficiently, I will use a data structure from the C++ standard library called unordered map of int and int. This allows storing and accessing key-value pairs in frec to count the frequency of each element in the array. The maximum value in the array is stored in m, which is initially set to int min. This is a constant defined in the C++ standard library climits, representing the smallest possible value for an int data type. I usually use it to initialize variables when looking for maximum values because any other value will be greater than int min. Populating the frequency array is straightforward. For each element x in nums, the position frec of x is incremented by 1 for each occurrence of x in the array. For nums equals 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 4, the frec array starts empty and is updated as follows. Initially it has 0 for all positions, then for each number in nums we increment the count at that position in frec. In parallel, during the same iteration, we also determine the maximum value in the array. To find the kth largest element in the array of integers, we use a for loop that starts iterating from the maximum value in nums. The loop continues indefinitely, decrementing k by the frequency of the current element I at each step. This helps us keep track of the number of elements processed and how many more we need to find to reach the kth largest element. If k becomes 0 or negative, it means we have found the kth largest element and we return the position I from the frequency vector. This position corresponds to the kth largest value in the original array. In conclusion, I have described an algorithm based on counting the frequency of elements to find the kth largest element. Instead of sorting the array, we use a hash map to store the frequency of each element and iterate from the maximum value to quickly find the desired element. This approach is efficient and allows us to find the kth largest element in a reasonable amount of time without requiring sorting the entire array. This method leverages the power of hash maps to manage and access frequency data efficiently, ensuring that we can handle even large arrays without performance issues. Now, it's time to test this code to make sure it functions as expected. Don't hesitate to try out your own ideas, test various edge cases, and consider alternative approaches.